Why is the color of the sky blue during the day and turns red and orange in the sunrise and sunset? Let's find out. This experiment will help us understand this phenomenon. Here I have a glass of pure water and a glass of 100% air. If I light with my laser to these two, you can't see anything. But if I put a bit of milk there to the water and let it mix a bit, we can see a beautiful laser rays. This effect is called Mie-scattering and is characteristic for particles that are bigger than the wavelength of light. But Mie-scattering has a smaller brother called Rayleigh scattering. And this scattering is characteristic for particles that are smaller than the wavelength of light. And this scattering can't be seen with the naked eye because the particles are so small on a small scale. But on a large scale, we can see a difference. At this planetary scale, the number of particles is so huge that they can reflect some of the light. For the Rayleigh scattering is characteristic that it reflects more the shorter wavelengths than the longer ones. And this is the reason why is the color of the sky blue. And not violet, because our eyes are much less sensitive to that. So the violet is there, we just can't see it. But when the sun goes down, the light has to travel through much more atmosphere than during the day. And this results in so many molecules that also the longer wavelengths can be reflected and the sky can turn reddish. Aha!